The 14-in-1 USB-C docking station is a versatile solution that transforms a single port into 14, including HDMI, VGA, Ethernet, and more, making it ideal for multitasking. It supports dual and triple monitor setups for Windows operating systems, enhancing productivity with different projects displayed across multiple screens. With the ability to deliver up to 100 watts of power, it ensures your laptop stays charged while you connect various peripherals. The inclusion of a Gigabit Ethernet port offers a stable and fast wired internet connection, eliminating worries about wireless network instability. High-speed data transfer is facilitated by USB 3.0 ports, allowing for quick file management and seamless connectivity with peripherals. A built-in SD and micro SD card reader adds convenience for photographers and content creators, supporting simultaneous card operations.